Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be planning for the week of August 26th through the 31st in my Hobonichi cousin health and wellness pages using this amazing sticker kit from Paper House Productions for Back to Hogwarts Day. So, like I said, I got this sticker kit from Paper House Productions. It has 4 pages, and it's basically just like your planner kit. But I'm going to be using it in the daily pages of my Hobonichi cousin. I am actually on Paper House Productions ambassador team, so if you use my affiliate code, it is May15, M-A-E 15. It will save you 15% off of your order. Like I said, it is an affiliate code, and I do have an affiliate link. I always have it linked in the description box, so if you use that code, it does not cost you anything to use, but it does help me out a lot, and it helps me share more Harry Potter stuff with you guys. So definitely use that code if you're shopping at Paper House Productions. They have a lot of different content too, not just Harry Potter. They have Wizard of Oz, they have Elf, they have Polar Express, they have lots of other kinds of fandoms, so definitely check it out. So like I said, this is what the kit looks like, and without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump into this week. So beginning with our washi, as usual, I'm going to start by laying it down across the bottom of the page, and y'all, I have to say, one thing that I have a complaint about with this Paper House Productions washi tape is the fact that they have the logo smack dab in the middle of the washi. Like, excuse me, please don't do that. That is not what washi tape is for. Please do not slap your logo all over it. I don't want that. But anyway, that's just my little complaint about it. I love this washi though. I think it coordinates perfectly with this sticker kit. Now, the reason I chose this sticker kit specifically is because I have not used this one yet, and I like it. It's just, it's not, I don't know, it's one of those things where I think it's a good transition from summer to fall, and that's kind of what I'm going for with these spreads. Alright, y'all, now that we are talking about Harry Potter, let's get the facts straight. First of all, I could talk about Harry Potter forever. I love Harry Potter. Growing up in high school and middle school, it was the thing that kept me going. I am so serious, you guys. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but it genuinely changed my life. And it was one of the things that kept me going through, you know, the bullying sessions and all that stuff. And it is a world that I fully immerse myself in. And I am fully obsessed with Harry Potter. And like I said, I could talk about it forever. But what is your favorite book? Do you have a favorite book? And is it different than the movies? For me, my favorite movie, hands down, I don't know what it is, but it is Prisoner of Azkaban, movie number 3. That is my favorite movie. However, my favorite book is actually Half-Blood Prince, book number 6. And it's because of the backstory. It's because you learn so much about Snape, you learn so much about the Marauders, and if I could have one Harry Potter wish besides, you know, kicking JK out of it and thanking her, thank you for making it, but now get out. We don't like you. You need to be a better person. That kind of thing. But if I could have a Harry Potter wish, it would be to have a Marauders movie or more backstory of the Marauders, a book about the Marauders and their life. I know we get a little bit of it in the Harry Potter books, and that's fine, but I need more. I need to learn more about the Marauders and their lifetime, and I need it. Thank you. That's my wish. But seriously, like, that's my favorite book. It's because of all of the backstory. You learn so much, and you learn so much about Voldemort. Like, I think it's great. Are you guys Harry Potter fans, or do you just, like, you're one of those people who are like, whatever. I understand if you don't like Harry Potter. I get it. Totally, you know, everybody has their one thing that they like. Well, not the one thing that they like, but everybody has something that they don't like. And it's okay if you don't like Harry Potter, but like I said, I'm obsessed with it. I cannot get enough, and I have so many Harry Potter stickers and things. I am obsessed. I am also very excited about the Ministry of Magic coming to Universal Orlando Resort. Like, you guys, I am freaking out. I haven't been to Universal in, like, multiple years, but I haven't been to Universal in forever, so definitely gonna have to, you know, brush my wand off and get things ready for when Ministry of Magic opens, because I will be visiting it and I will be freaking out probably, because I definitely cried when I saw the castle for the first time. And I'm not talking about the Disney castle, I'm talking about the Hogwarts castle. I definitely cried. Like I said, you guys, I can talk about Harry Potter forever and ever, and I do talk about it a lot. So if you are wanting to talk about Harry Potter, let's do it. Talk about it in the comments. I want to hear all your thoughts. I want to know why you like it, why you don't like it. Let's just chit chat, get to know each other, and have a friendly discussion, because I'm a little obsessed with it. I'm not even gonna lie. Basically, all I've been doing is adding the washi and all of the stickers and deco pieces. I have no rhyme or reason to putting things down on this spread. I am just going for it. Just throwing stickers on the page. I don't have a theme. I don't have a color scheme. I don't have a house theme. I'm just throwing the stickers on there, and if there's not a specific color that I think needs to be more prominent, I'll throw it on there. And that's pretty much all I've been doing. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my health and wellness daily pages using the Paper House Productions kit and washi. Like I said, I can talk about Harry Potter all the time. My voice is actually getting hoarse because I keep talking. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I hope it was interesting for you to see how I used this kit in my daily pages, and I love it so much. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, definitely check out the Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness playlist that I have. It will be linked in the description box and at the end of the video, so you can check that out if you're interested. Like I said at the beginning of this video, the Paper House Productions link will be in the description box. I do get a small commission if you use my code, but it does not cost you anything extra, and it would help me out a lot, and it would help me provide more content for you guys and more fun Harry Potter things to share with you. I don't know if I mentioned, but September 1st is Back to Hogwarts Day. I know that it doesn't, like, encompass this week's plans, but if you think about it from the Monday to Sunday week, then it does. Basically, this is my Back to Hogwarts spread. If you liked this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was inspirational to you. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.